Here we have a Amana distinction. It has Copeland scroll. This one's completely off. It's off this unit. It's a 2011 13 seer. It's a 410. It has a scroll compressor. There's a reversing valve down here. There's a straight cool unit. Okay. Here, this is a Amana distinction unit, central air conditioner. This is off. Yep, it's off. It's not running. It's shut off. Yeah, that one's run before. The 13 seer, Goodman, or Goodman, I don't know. Okay, I'll look at that unit. Okay, there we go. This one has Copeland scroll compressor. This is a straight cool unit. Daynight. This is Benline. It's from 2012. It's a 3.5 ton. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching.